Welcome! On this video, we're going to show you that you don't have to be confused or upset about trying to get a bank account if you're on ChekSystems. We're going to show you 15 banks that will accept you on opening a new account with the bank. Even if you're on ChekSystems, you can still regain your life and open up a new bank account. So let's get started. Why ChekSystems exist. ChekSystems is designed to help banks identify fraud activity. It allows banks to report consumer banking activity that's considered negative as well as consumer banking habits and activities. For example, you fail to pay an overdraft fee for as little as $5. This can end up on ChekSystems. And banking account closures, including bank closures with negative balances. Any returned bounce checks, number of inquiries that have been made when you apply for a bank account and in what time frames. And the last one, how many check orders you have placed and how often. So when you're on ChekSystems, you'll find that there'll be inquiries with you going to different banks trying to open a new account. However, now there's a new way for you to open an account even if you're on ChekSystems. This is a ChekSystems report. It looks similar to a credit report, but only the banks can see it. So it shows that you have been reported to the banking system. So here's the good news. Even if you're on ChekSystems, you can still get a checking account. Here's a list of 15 banks, and I'm going to explain what you need for each one of these banks to open your own checking account, even though you're still listed on ChekSystems until you can get an actual bank account through something like B of A or Wells Fargo, but you really don't need to. The first bank is called Upgrade. Upgrade Rewards Checking Account. You get a 2% cash back, common everyday expenses, or 1% cash back for everything else. There is no ATM fees for using it. With Upgrade, you can get a personal loan up to $50,000. The second bank is called Chime. Chime opening deposit for this account is a free online checking account with no opening deposit. Most banks always require you to make a deposit, and they give you an overdraft protection of up to $200. The third bank is Acorns. The opening deposit is only $5, $5 monthly service fee for having the account, and online banking, just what you needed. OneUnited Bank. Opening deposit, $25. You can use a credit card to open this account. There's no monthly service fee, free bill pay, and rewards. It's also FDIC insured. The next bank is number 5, OneUnited. It's a different bank. It's not the same one we just showed you in the other one. You only need $10 for the minimum deposit to open it. Bank number 6, Albert. The opening deposit, no opening deposit required, no account fees, 0 minimum balance, 0 maintenance fees. Bank 7. SoFi Bank. Opening deposit, $50. No monthly maintenance fees either. Savings account available. 8. Axos Bank. Opening deposit, $50. No account fees, ATM fees, and it's FDIC insured. 9. GTE. Opening deposit, $5. Account monthly maintenance fees, $9.95. Early paycheck deposit for direct deposit and bill pay. 10. Novo. Opening deposit, $25, no monthly fees, minimum balance requirements, free ATM, cash rewards. 11. NorthOne. Opening deposit, $50, $10 monthly maintenance fees, and online banking. 12. Green Dot. Opening deposit, 0, account fee, $7.95 monthly, ATM free, early paycheck direct deposit, overdraft protection of $200, and FDIC insured. 13. Unify. Opening deposit, $25, account fees, $9.95 monthly service fee, ATM no charge, online banking, get free access, and NCUA insured. 14. Chase. Account fees, $4.95 monthly service fees, direct deposits, no overdraft fee, and FDIC insured. 15. US Bank. Opening deposit, $25, account fees, $4.95 monthly fee, no overdraft fees, and FDIC insured. Wow, I'm sure I've given you a lot to think about. Now all you have to do is decide which bank account works best for you. Once you decide, it'll be very easy to move forward. I will leave a link below of each bank so you can choose to go online and look at anything you need for yourself and to sign up for an account. Next, we're going to work on showing you how, if you want to remove yourself from ChekSystems. ChekSystems does not just fall off your report. It remains until you settle it with the bank. It's a really good idea to do that. So, are you excited? Let's get started and learn how to do this. ChekSystems removal strategies. ChekSystems removal should be considered because even if you pay the bank in full, the bank must update ChekSystems, but ChekSystems is under no obligation to remove the record. ChekSystems is a consumer reporting company. If you find information in your consumer report that you believe is inaccurate or incomplete, you have the legal right to dispute the report's content with the consumer reporting company and the bank that shared the information to ChekSystems. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, also known as FCRA, ChekSystems or the bank that reported you has to verify the negative mark within 30 days or delete it from your ChekSystems report. Here are several ChekSystem removal strategies. Number 1, dispute directly with ChekSystems, request verification from ChekSystems, gather the facts that include specific information as to what you are disputing, and an explanation for the basis of your dispute. Request that ChekSystems validate the information being reported by contacting the bank. If the bank provides ChekSystems with any documentation connected to your signature, request that ChekSystem send you a copy. You're always allowed to request any copies for yourself. ChekSystems know if the bank cannot furnish documentation with your signature, request that ChekSystems remove the account being reported. You want to make sure you follow through after working on this. 2, dispute directly with the bank. Request debt validation from the bank. This will prove the account if it is yours. Request a validation per the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Ask the bank to provide full validation under the law, to include copies of completed and signed documentation indicating you have a contractual obligation to pay. Per the Fair Credit Reporting Act, any debt which cannot be properly validated may not be reported to a consumer reporting company. Failure to remove inaccurate information will be documented as a violation of the Fair Credit Reporting Act for the purpose of pursuing legal remedies under consumer laws. 3, negotiate a pay for deletion. The bank or credit union may be open to negotiating a payoff to clear your records. If they do not agree to remove you from ChekSystems, ask the bank to update the information in ChekSystems indicating that the debt has been paid. Be sure to keep copies of all the paperwork documenting the payoff. 4, bankruptcy. If you have filed a bankruptcy, ChekSystems will remove your records. Just make sure you keep copies of the bankruptcy to show to the bank. Here is some information on how to contact ChekSystems. The telephone number and automated phone system is 800-428-9623. You can give them a call and discuss your options. For ChekSystems automated system, the number is 800-887-7652. The address to mail them paperwork is ChekSystems, Inc., Attention Security Freeze Department, P.O. Box 583399, Minneapolis, Minnesota 55458. Congratulations, you are on your way to opening a new account and working to get the ChekSystems removed from your credit report so you never have to worry about this again. You can relax, enjoy your day, and know you have a very strong future in the banking system.